Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the mythical Pokemon Mew. If you must know, Mew is a psychic type and is the only one of its Pokemon kinds to ever learn every move in the whole universe. It's possibly the reason why Mewtwo was created in the first place. Anyways, to start drawing him, you must start with the eyes here. Here we go. Next up, you just gotta draw his ear. Make sure it's really, really big. Not too big. There's his head. Okay, almost done here. If you must know, the first time Mew was released was when Ash first fought Mewtwo. Okay, now it's time to finish him off. Here's this really long tail. There we go. There's his tail. And bam! That's pretty much how to draw Mew. If you guys must know, Mew, it can be seen in Pokemon Red and Pokemon Blue. And if you guys have a Mew EX or a Mega Mewtwo or a Mewtwo and Mew Team Up GX pack, if you guys have a spare, could you please lend me one? Anyways, that is how you draw Mew, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what Pokemon I'm going to draw you guys next. See you later.